Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Belle and thank you for joining.
Bad girl step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
Today, we will be talking about the 10 things that are ruining your relaxed hair. Number 1 is ironing. Whether flat iron, curling iron, crimping iron, curling wand, anything you wanna call it. If it's any one of those and so on, if you do it on a regular basis, you need to know that it's damaging your hair. It's very obvious because more while you put like Vaseline in your hair or hair oil and you put the iron by your ear, it's actually frying. You can hear it. If your hair is wet, partially wet, you can also hear the iron frying your hair. Yes, you can use heat protectant, but it's not protecting your hair 100%. Number 2, you're using the wrong shampoos. Hair products are very expensive. The cheap ones are not always good. You get what I say? So you thinking that you're buying a very cheap and good shampoo which is not really around and not really true. So people think that false hair alone is expensive, and that is definitely not true, because when you treat your ear, the amount of something you have to buy for your ear for it look good, the amount of work you have to put in it, so more while it would be like your real hair is way more expensive than false hair. But now I want to know why the cheap shampoo them not good. I mean I want to know. So the reason why the cheap shampoos are not normally good is because it has sulfate in it, and sulfate strips away the moisture from your relaxed hair, and anytime the moisture strip away, your hair just start break, it get brittle and just start break. Like more while it's better you spend your money on something that costs more if you can, because just to be honest, and everybody can afford dear things. And the truth, if you don't have the money, you just don't have it. But if you can, please do. You ever drive past certain place like certain cane piece or certain grass and you look at them just yellow ass bushes, them dry as hell, and if you dry them so them tear, the same way to your ear. Number 3, everybody wanna look like Rapunzel, but always I let down the ear. For what? I don't know why, but take it into consideration. Just like how the sun burn out the bush them, the same way to your ear if you let down your ear every day. Fact number 4, we are not moisturizing our hair enough. So in this one, being consistent is key. I know sometimes we go up on the road and we are come home, or we are come from school, or we are come from work, wherever we are come from, we reach home tired, by night come we just want to drop in our bed, we want to sleep. But moisturizing your hair in the nights is gonna be worth it, especially your ear end, because this are the oldest part of your ear. Yeah, and it mostly break off. So I think it's gonna be worth it if you be consistent on moisturizing your hair every day or every night. And you know what the sad part? No for we not do it, none at all. Number 5. Yet state the obvious, but by now everybody's supposed to know. You guys are relaxing your hair too often. You have some people, as them selling you group, them gone for relaxer. Like, calm down, please. Calm down, they also damage your ear. Yeah, I know it's not very appealing to see the rest of your ear straight and the roots are curly, or the new growth come up in the root, if you get what me I say. But you guys can work around it, find hairstyles that you don't have to use iron in. You know, you can bun up your ear, you can do so much something. You can put a bun in your ear, that's what I mean. You can put a bun in your ear and all of that. Yeah, I really feel like there are ways to go around it, which the least time before you relax your hair is 3 months. The 2 did one come up with that 3 months. Yeah, anytime earlier than that, your ear is prone to breakage. You can damage your ear, you can do this, you get what I say? So keep that in mind. Number 6, when we are relaxing our hair, we apply it from the root to the end, which I understand say and everybody can have the money for that hairdresser every second. So we do it ourselves, or we ask a family member to do it for us. So even if you're going to take that route, you need to know that you have to apply it from the new growth to the ear end, which other from the new growth, nothing else when your head no new. So this alone is supposed to apply the relaxer. And if you do that, split ends again, and your ear gonna broke off. It's gonna be broken off. So enough time you will be combing your hair. A lot of time you'll be combing your hair, and it'll see one pipe just come out. That causes it. Number 7, we are not cutting our hair ends, and it's not a good look. I know say everybody don't really like the fact that they cut them hair after they try to grow. The thing is, when you relax your hair, you get split ends. That is one of the disadvantages in relaxed hair. But if you decide to relax your hair, so you have to deal with it. You have to deal with it, and that's something I don't like either. But because we have to, we have to. And really I say yes, it a go split and my ear a go nuffer. Hell no. It just a go break off when you're 8. You are adding products to your hair that shouldn't be in the not biting a finger, no know to sell. What I realize is I don't want the ear for hold it position even when hurricane a pass through. Yeah, I the truth. So I'm gonna use spritz, and I'm sure it's stated on the bottle that spritz is for falls hair. I know that, but because I don't want the curl to stand up on the head, I'm gonna use spritz. I'm not gonna hairdresser either. Which hairdresser I'm gonna put that in on the head? I'm gonna do it to myself. I'm gonna spray. Secondly, I'm gonna use lotion because I'm not on a gel. I'm not talking about hair lotion. I'm not talking about hair lotion. If you don't have anything to use, you can use water. Because I'm one person, my mother always say, the hair go pick off when you use water in your ear, you use water in your ear to get you. Sometime, well, I didn't have the money sometime, or sometime I forgot to buy it. And, you know, the thing is, you just have to admit the truth. You know, you don't have the money, you just don't have the money. You're not going to road, or beg nobody feet. So, you use water. Number 9. You're shampooing your hair too often, especially the sulfate shampoo. When you're done, I left on the ear iron dry already. I don't want to do it 3 times a week, 4 times, 2 times, because I don't want the ear to clean. Whether the one with or without sulfate, it's still not good. You have an option to use conditioner alone. but I still would say to not do it so many times. Number 10, we're nearly there at the end. Last but not least, blow drying. Everybody wants a blow dryer because they want their hair to dry quick, but putting the blow dryer on the highest speed is something that also damages the hair. It's better to air dry your hair if you have the time, or if you don't have the time, you do it before you know you have to get ready, so that you can turn down the speed and take a little more time for it to dry. So guys, I know that was a lot of information to take in, but I think you can change one thing at a time. Don't just run and say, oh, I'm gonna do everything, because you can get mixed up. But as I said before, with everything you do what you can do. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're new, thank you for joining. My name is Belle. Bye.